Good morning, students. This is our computer class, and today we are going to start our chapter number 8, working with tables and queries. So let's start. In the previous chapter, we learned about the basics of the database, like what is database, its types and structure. You were also introduced to various activities like creating, saving, choosing and opening of the database using one of the important component of the Microsoft Office suite, which is Microsoft Access 2010. In this chapter, you will further learn about the other activities associated with our database. First one, what you have to learn? Editing table in ACCESS. ACCESS 2010 allow you to edit the table in both the view, that is datasheet view and the design view. Adding a field in datasheet view. How to add a field in the datasheet view? Open the tab in the datasheet view, right click on the drop down arrow on the field on the left of which you want to insert the field. The context menu appears. On the right you can see the context menu. You have to see the insert field in the last. Select the insert field option. Now new field name as field 1 will be inserted before the selected field. Now field 1 is shown here. You added a field in the datasheet view by this simple steps. Adding a field in a design view. How you add a field in a design view? Open a table in the design view. You have to open it. Place the cursor on the field above which you intend to add a new field. Select the insert rows option in the tools group in the design tab. Now a new blank in the row is inserted above the selected field. Define the name and the data type for the new field. You have to define what type of data you have to enter, want to enter in that field. So this is the adding field in a design view. Now deleting a field in the datasheet view. To delete a field, follow the steps given below. Select the field by clicking on its field header and press the delete key, or right click on the field and select the delete field option from the context menu. Access prompts a message to confirm deletion. They want to confirm whether you want to delete or not. Click yes to confirm the deletion and no to cancel the deletion. Now the deleting a field in design view. Open a tab, select the row containing the field that you want to delete. You have to select that field. Click on the delete row button on the design tab in the tool group. Now how to make changes in the data sheet view. Moving a field. How to move a field. Open the tab in the datasheet view. Select the field that you want to move by clicking on its field header. Drag it horizontally and drop it at the desired location. While dragging, you will find a dark line appearing between the fields. This indicates the position where the field will be placed. Now freezing a field. Freezing a field in MS Access refers to make the selected field. It means you have to making the selected field column appearing in the leftmost side in a table and making it visible at all time, irrespective to the directions you scroll. To freeze columns, follow the steps given below. Open the table in the datasheet view. First of all, you have to open the table in the datasheet view. Now after that, right click on the column heading of the field that you want to freeze. Select the freeze field option from the context menu. You will observe that the selected column is shifted to the extreme left of the table. You can unfreeze the column by right clicking on any column heading and selecting unfreeze all field option from the context menu. Now hiding a field. How you can hide a field? MS Access provides a feature using which you can temporarily hide columns. To hide fields, follow the given step. Right click on the column heading that you want to hide. Select the hide fields option from the context menu. You will notice that the selected column is no more visible in the table. Now unhiding the hidden field. The fields which you have hidden earlier can be brought back to the table. You can again get it back. Follow the steps given below to unhide the fields. Right click on any of the field heading. Select the unhide fields option from the context menu. Now the unhide columns dialog box appear on the screen. It shows the name of all the fields presented in the table. Now you can see the unhide option and all the hidden fields. Now select the checkbox next to each field that you wish to display. Click on the close button. You will observe that the selected fields have appeared in the table. Now moving through the record. Sometime while entering data in a table, you wish to move across the table, either to edit some data or delete a record. Many times you prefer to use a mouse or click on the row selector button of record, or simply select the field, or you have to simply select the field. Whenever there are a large number of records, it becomes difficult to navigate through the table. Access provides the navigation toolbar that appears at the bottom of a data sheet, using which it becomes convenient to move through the records. Now first one takes you to the first record. The first option takes you the first record. Second option, move to the previous record. Type the specific record number to move to. In the third point, you can type the number of the record you want to move to. Take you to the next record. Fourth option. Fifth option, move to the last record. And the sixth one, go to the new blank record. Now sorting data within a table. Sorting means arranging the data earlier in the ascending or descending order. The records in the table are not stored in any particular order when they are entered into a table. We can sort data within a table based on the value of a particular field. To sort the data, follow the step given below. Select the field that you wish to sort. Click on the drop down arrow of its field header. Now select either short small or large, or short large to small option from the drop down list if the field is numeric, or select the sort A to Z to Z to A option if the field is alphanumerical. Observe the change in the database. You can sort the data with the help of this step. So student, that's all from this class. In our next class, we will discuss about the calculation in the data sheet, filtering in data, advanced filtering in data sheet, searching in a data sheet, querying a data sheet. Till then, read the chapter at your home. If you have any problem regarding any topic in this chapter, you can ask me. Thank you, student. Thank you for listening.